We felt that the creative community here in Los Angeles was a bit lacking.
We had this idea to put together a co-working space for us and other like-minded people.
Bought a fridge, put it over there.
We assembled a bunch of desks and chairs.
Spent a really long time assembling this kitchen cart.
And most importantly, we got nitro cold brew coffee on tap.
We put our heart into every detail.
The cold brew works. Got some lockers for us and our new pals.
Only 2 more months until our new calendar works.
And we got what every co-working space needs, matching electric scooters.
Check it, baby! Scooters.
Quality assurance tested this desk.
10 out of 10 worth every penny.
It's great, but something's missing. Thanks to LG, everyone who rents a desk gets to use one of these curved long boy monitors.
I think you mean LG's new 21:9 curved ultrawide monitors.
What did I say?
Some more quality assurance.
Did a scroll 2 paws way up.
So we got a second studio.
And hired mouse teeth to doodle on the walls.
That's some grade A doodling, mouse teeth.
Had a sign made.
It works.
This space is for photographers, filmmakers, podcasters, and people hosting small events.
We got you a place to hang wardrobe.
And a curated collection of wooden props and backdrops.
Still trying to figure out how to make Price is Right play on this thing.
We pieced together a place to sit.
And stock the fridge.
And vibed out this recording booth.
Oh, and Savage gifted us 5 seamless paper rolls to help us get up and running.
The word savage has lost its meaning completely.
Link in description.
We're giving away 1 free session at the Haunt LA for you to shoot at or whatever. Click the link in the description to enter.
We're also still accepting co-working applications, so if you want a desk or a spot at our table, go to thehauntla.com to apply.
Can't wait to meet you.